Hello guys, review smartphone Blackview A100. Look completion. In completion we have device of course and protected back cover. And in completion we have adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, turn on device, open settings, about phone, Android 11, octa-core processor we have, and 4 GB, 6 GB RAM memory, 6 GB RAM memory and 128 GB internal memory. Okay, triple camera on the back side, almost 6.7-inch display, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone. Okay. Geekbench 5, system information, we have CPU MediaTek MT6761 and GPU Mali G72. Look results, GPU test results, and look Antutu benchmark results. Close this. Run GTA San Andreas, look how this game works on the device. Game works good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. Game works good. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.